If you're interested in making money online, this video is for you. Hi and welcome back. I'm George Pearson. I want to thank you for watching. This video is about my weekly giveaway and a shout out. If you're not familiar with my YouTube channel, each week I give away an internet marketing product. Typically, it's internet marketing, something that's going to benefit you for internet marketing or possibly to build a YouTube channel, and that's kind of what this channel is all about. If that's the kind of thing, by the way, that is of value to you, if it's something that you're interested in, just a reminder that you might want to consider subscribing and ringing the bell, and that way you won't miss out on videos like this. This week's video is about how to use your blog to generate leads. And your blog is, it can be a very, very valuable tool. So I'm going to include a link to the download page. Also, again, we're going to be giving a shout out. So let's get right to it. So we're at the download page. This is my weekly giveaway for 8/23. I'm actually a little ahead of schedule. And this week's giveaway is how to use your blog to generate leads. And I want to show you that it is it's totally free. There's no gimmick. There's no email. It's simply click download now, and it's a free download. And the weekly giveaway includes an ebook. It also includes an e-cover. It includes images, squeeze page, thank you pages, and resale rights. The idea is that because it includes resale rights, you can not only use it for your own personal benefit, you can also use it if you wanted to sell it. If you wanted to use it for resale, in other words, you can keep all the profits. You can also use this as a giveaway. You can give away the book, the ebook, the whole package, and you can use it as an incentive, a bonus. Use it for your email list. Use it to build an email list. And let me get to the shout outs. And I've taken us to randomize and inserted the names. And the first winner is Dennis Thorgensen. Dennis comes to us from IBO. And the next winner is Francis Cassady. And I've taken us to Francis Cassady's profile page. This is his profile page. And Francis, in about 2012, I believe, he began a home business. And Cassady Online LLC. And the main sites are Start Your Own Home Business Now, Frassidys.com, and Cassady Hosting. He has his own hosting company. He is a blogger, an affiliate, and an internet marketer. If you need help with getting started online, if you are online and you're struggling, Francis is the guy to go to. He can help you with the training. He also has he is also a staunch member of World Profit, and World Profit is a tremendous website, probably one of the best, especially for beginners, because it gives you all kinds of training and all kinds of help and all kinds of information and all kinds of free tools to really make the job almost fail-proof. So this is Francis's homepage at IBO. And then I want to share with you one of his press releases. These are a list of his press releases, and the most recent one is about other content. And the reason why I like it is the other content that he's talking about is review sites. I recently got crushed by Apollo Books, but I suppose I've only got my shelf to blame. Not very good at jokes, but that was not bad. A product review, and of course I'm going to give you a link to his profile, and then you can read some of his press releases, and I think you're going to like him. If so, go ahead and give Francis an opportunity to help you, because he certainly can. The reason why I'm so partial to this particular press release of Francis's is because I actually started. That's where I started with review sites, and I still do review sites. And I don't claim to be an expert, but I've got a lot of experience, and I can tell you from my experience that this is the kind of information that you need if you're going to build a review site or whatever you're going to do. You need the right information. If you're working off the wrong information, you're going to get in trouble fast, and you're just never going to get there. And that's the thing, I guess, that I want to kind of drive home, is that with Francis, the information is the kind of information that you can rely on and depend on, and so he's not going to steer you wrong. He's going to give you the kind of help you need, the kind of help that you can run with. And we are at Dennis's IBO profile page, and if you will look at his mission, now he is the owner of Lysedge e-marketing, and his mission is to increase the percentage of success stories on the internet. And that's what he does, or that's what he certainly tries to do. And he's if you let him help you, he should be able to do that for you as well. You'll find all the information you need in order to get in touch with him by phone or otherwise on this profile page, and I'll leave a link to that, of course, below. I want to take you to his press releases. This is his most recent press release, and the press release is how can I get to page 1 or to page 1 of Google search engines using IBO Toolbox. And the fact is, I don't know, I'm trying to think of a good way to put this, but the fact is that I have been on page 1 in the first spot quite a number of times and been fairly successful at it. And what Dennis is telling you is exactly what you're supposed to do. This is how it works. Do what he says and it will happen. Just follow his directions. So, and I want to share something else about his press release, and that's the comments. And that's something I don't usually share, but there are 27 comments. And 27 is just an unbelievable amount of comments for IBO. Anything over 10 comments is considered, I would consider that a lot of comments. There's 28 likes. Both of these numbers are extremely high, and the reason is that Dennis has given some extremely valuable content here. But I'm not going to go all the way down the list, but you can see it's just comment after comment, and the size of the one other thing I want to share with you is if you look at the size of the comment. Most of the comments are not great press release, Dennis. I really enjoyed it. And I don't mean to pick on Ron Craven. The idea is that most of the press releases are several sentences or more because there's some significant value. And when you post significant value, you're going to get some significant comments. So that's just an indicator, in my opinion, of the kind of value that you're going to get from Dennis. So I'm going to leave a link to his IBO profile. Click on the profile, read some of his press releases, and I think you're going to want to give him an opportunity to help you. And I've taken us to Victor. This is my bonus shout out, Victor A. Paredes, and I'm taking you to his YouTube page. He has a YouTube channel, and his channel is to help you to make money online. He specializes in high-ticket items, but he can help you in just about every area of making money online. Now, if you'll notice here, this header, this is extraordinary. And this really gives you a good example of the kind of quality that you can expect from Victor. And you're going to get that in his YouTube, in his videos. You're going to get that in his training. You're going to get that in everything that he does. That's just the kind of guy that he is, and it's going to follow through in his videos and so forth. These are just some of his videos. I want to go to his most recent video. This is his most recent video. I've got it muted, but you might note ClickBank for Beginners 2019. That's an excellent choice of words, and again, $100 a day tutorial with no website. When Victor gives a tutorial, it's a real tutorial. It's a really helpful, step-by-step, understandable tutorial, and he doesn't miss a trick. He's going to show you the whole process. He's going to show you every bit of it. So you're not going to go there and waste your time. You're going to be well rewarded, you might say. When you're willing to give up your time to watch a video, Victor's going to deliver. In fact, he's going to over-deliver. And this, again, is just one of his tutorials. I'm going to leave a link below to his YouTube channel. I encourage you to visit his channel, watch some of his videos. I think you're going to like him. If you do, go ahead and subscribe. That is my weekly giveaway, how to use your blog to generate leads. And, of course, very happy and pleased to give shout-outs to Dennis Thorgensen, to Francis Cassady, and to Victor A. Paredes. Congratulations on being a shout-out winner, and it's my pleasure to give you all a shout-out. If you want to qualify for the shout-out drawing, just all you need to do is give us a comment, give us a like and a comment. That's all you need. That's all it is. You don't have to subscribe. Now, if you want to subscribe, and I would recommend that you subscribe, of course, if this is the kind of information that is of value to you, if it's something you're interested in, subscribe, ring the bell, and if you subscribe, and we'll put new in the comments, N-E-W, put in new in the comment. I've got a deal going on where for new subscribers, I'll go to your channel, I'll look at your tags, your title, your description, and your thumbnail. And I will do my best to help you to get some remarkable results that this channel has already experienced, and hopefully we can do the same for you. Why I'm doing that is because if I can help you, you're gonna realize that the information that I'm giving is going to be of value to you, and you'll be coming back for more. I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success. If you'd like to qualify for the shout-out drawing, just give us a comment and if you'd like to qualify for the shout-out drawing, give us a comment and a like.